Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video I will be solving question number 9 of exercise 1.1 of chapter integers of standard 7th. Okay, so what the question is telling, use the sign this, this or this in the box to make the statements true. Okay, so what you have to do, here they have given you boxes. Let us solve this and take first, let us solve the problem and then let us see which sign should be used here. Okay, so solving this part first, then solving this part. Okay, now here this is a bracket given and inside the bracket it is minus sign. So if there is no sign given outside the bracket, that means you should understand if there is no sign given, then it is plus sign. Okay, so outside the bracket it is plus, inside the bracket it is minus. Since the signs are different here, then according to the rules of multiplication, see there are brackets given, that means you have to apply the rules of multiplication, not additions. Okay, so according to the rule of multiplication, if the signs are different, for the answer you have to put minus sign here. Okay, put minus sign and multiply. Since no number is there outside, let us assume the number to be 1. Okay, 8 ones is 8. So this becomes minus 8 and this bracket now. Outside the bracket it is plus, inside the bracket it is minus. Since the signs are different, according to the rules of multiplication, we have to put which sign here? Minus sign. Okay, and 4 ones is 4. Fine. Then now here both the signs are same. Since there is no bracket here, now you have to use the rules of addition and subtraction. Okay, so according to the rules of addition and subtraction, minus and minus signs are same. If the signs are same, then you have to do addition. So 8 plus 4 how much? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And which sign you have to give? Greater number sign, that is minus. So this side you got minus 12 here. So let us solve and see this side what answer you are getting. Here inside the bracket it is minus, outside the bracket they have not given you any sign. That means it is understood it is plus sign. Okay, now solve the bracket here. Plus sign outside, minus sign inside. Since the signs are different, for the answer you have to put minus sign. Remember, we are applying the rules of multiplication, not the rules of addition. If you have not watched my video of solving these positive and negative integers, please do watch the video. The link is given in the description box below. Okay, now 8 ones is 8. Here next, outside the bracket it is minus, inside the bracket also it is minus. Since the signs are same, what sign you have to give here? You have to give the sign of addition and multiply. 4 ones is how much? 4. Okay, now since the signs are different here, now there is no bracket given here, that means you have to apply the rules of addition, not multiplication. Okay, since the signs are different, for the answer you have to do subtraction. 8 minus 4, what's the answer? 4 is the answer. And which sign you have to give? Greater number sign. 8 is having minus sign, so let me put here minus. So here the answer is minus 12, here the answer is minus 4. Which sign will you put here? See which is greater, minus 12 was minus 4. Remember in the introduction video I had shown you that number which is having minus sign should be less, then the value will be greater. For example, let me tell you here once again, minus 1 to minus 5 if I write and plus 1 to plus 5 if I write. Okay, here 1 is having less value, 5 is having greater value. This is small, this is big. Okay, general numbers are like this. 1 will be small, 5 will be big. But if the numbers are having minus sign, then this minus 1 will become bigger value and minus 5 will become smaller value. Okay, it is just reverse. So now tell me which is the bigger number here? Minus 12 is bigger or minus 4 is bigger? Okay, so when there are minus, smaller numbers will be having greater value. So minus 4 is greater. So let me put this sign here now like this. Okay, minus 4 is greater and minus 2 becomes smaller. Okay, next question number B. How they have told here? Minus 3 plus 7 minus 90. Now see here outside the bracket they have not given you any sign, that means it is understood it is plus. Okay, so outside the bracket it is plus, inside the bracket it is minus. So plus and minus, it is minus okay, and 3 ones is 3. Let me write this plus 7 as it is, because we have to focus on solving the bracket first. Okay, here outside the bracket it is minus, and inside the bracket they have not given you any sign. That means what? You have to know that it is addition. If the sign is not given, it is always addition. Okay, so outside the bracket it is minus, inside the bracket it is plus. Since the signs are different, for the answer you have to put minus sign. Okay, and do multiplication. 19 ones is how much? 19 ones is 19. Okay, now let us take this first two numbers and solve. Minus 3 plus 7. Since the signs are different, according to the rules of addition, what you have to do? Since the signs are different, you have to do subtraction. So 7 minus 3, what's the answer? 4, and put the symbol of addition. Why addition symbol? Because greater number is having plus sign here, and here it is minus 19 as it is. Minus 19 is as it is. Okay, next. Plus 4 minus 19. Now since these numbers, they are having different sign, that means for the answer you have to do subtraction. Okay, 19 minus 4, what's the answer? 19 minus 4, it is 15. Okay, and sign should be given of greater number, so minus 15 is the answer here. Let us solve this side and see. 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. This 15 minus 8 I will write down as it is. Let us solve the bracket first. Plus and minus, since the signs are different, what sign you have to put? Minus sign, and 9 ones is 9. Let us take these two numbers. 15 minus 8. Okay, signs are different. If you want, you can apply the rules of addition, otherwise do normal. 15 minus 8, what's the answer? 15 minus 8, so it is 7, and give the sign of greater number, because 15 is having plus sign. Then minus 9 as it is, I will write down. Now since the signs are different, okay, you have to do here subtraction. Okay, 9 minus 7 is 2, and give the sign of greater number. So here you got minus 2, here you have got minus 15. So which one is bigger here, minus 15 or minus 2? It is minus 2, correct? Minus 2 is bigger. So again I will have to put the sign like this. Next, in question number C, what they have told? 23 minus 41 plus 11. Okay, so let me solve this normally. 23 minus 41. 23 minus 41, what's the answer? Do it. 41 minus 23. So minus, take a 3, take a 1. 11 minus 3 is 8, and this is 1. So 18 will be your answer. But which sign will you give? Give the sign of greater number. 41 is greater, it's having minus sign. So put here minus, and this plus 11 as it is I will carry down. Now since the signs are different here, for the answer you have to do subtraction, correct? Since the signs are different, according to the rules of addition and subtraction, you have to do subtraction here. Okay, so 18 minus 11, what's the answer? 18 minus 11, it is 7. Then here, which sign you have to give? Greater number sign. So minus 7 is the answer this side. Now let us solve this side. 23 minus 41. Okay, so again 41 minus 23 already we had done here. Answer was 18, and which sign you have to give? Greater number sign. So greater number is having minus sign, so it becomes minus 18. Then this minus 11 as it is I will carry down. Now since the signs are same, then according to the rules of addition and subtraction, if the signs are same, you have to do addition. Okay, so add it. 18 plus 11, what's the answer? This is 9, this is 2. So 29 will be the answer. Okay, so which sign you have to put? You have to put the sign of greater number. 18 is having minus sign, so let me put here minus. Okay, now which number is bigger here? Minus 7 or minus 29? Minus 7, right? So you have to put like this. This is greater here. Minus 7 is greater. So you have to open like this here. Okay, and this becomes smaller. Next, question number D, what they are telling? 39 plus in the bracket minus 24, then minus 15. So let us solve the brackets here using the rules of multiplication first. So this 39 I will write down as it is. Okay, outside the bracket it is plus, inside the bracket it is minus. Since the signs are different, then according to the rules of multiplication, which sign you have to give? minus sign because the signs are different here. Then 24 ones is 24. Okay. Next here, outside the bracket it is minus, inside the bracket it is which sign? It is plus sign because they have not given you any sign, that means it is plus sign. So one sign is minus, one sign is plus. Since the signs are different according to the rules of multiplication, which sign you have to put? Minus sign, and 15 ones becomes 15. Now let us take these two numbers and solve. Plus 39 minus 24. Since there is no brackets here, that means you have to use the rules of addition and subtraction now. One is positive, one is negative. Since the signs are different, you have to do what? You have to do subtraction. So subtract this 39 minus 24. 39 minus 24, or this is 5 and this is 1. So 15 is your answer. And which sign you have to put? You have to put the sign of greater number. 39 is greater, it is having plus sign. So let me put here plus 15. What is remaining? Minus 15 is remaining. Now you see here, these are additive inverse. Plus 15 minus 15. So these are additive inverse. Remember I had told you in the previous video, these gets cancelled. Okay. So the answer becomes 0 here. Okay. Now let us see the answer this side. This is 36 as it is. I'll write down. Let us solve the brackets first. Plus and minus. Since the signs are different, you have to put which sign? Minus sign, and do multiplication. 52 ones is 52. Okay. Now here, since outside the bracket it is minus, inside the bracket also it is minus. Since the signs are same according to the rules of multiplication, which sign you have to put? You have to put plus sign. If the signs are same, you have to put here plus sign and do multiplication. 36 ones is how much? 36. Now first we'll take these two numbers. Okay, 36 minus 52. Since the signs are different here, one is plus sign, one is having minus sign. Since the signs are different, according to the rules of addition and subtraction, you have to do minus. Okay, you have to do subtraction here. Okay, 52 minus 36. Okay, this becomes 4, this is 12 and this becomes 6, this is 1. So 16 will be your answer. And which sign you will be giving? You will be giving the sign of greater number. 52 is having minus sign here, so I will put minus 16. This plus 36 as it is, I will write down. Now, these both having different signs. Then, according to the rules of addition and subtraction, if the signs are different, you have to do again subtraction. Do subtraction, 36 minus 16. Okay, this becomes 20, becomes your answer. And which sign you have to give? Greater number sign. 36 is having plus, so I have to put here plus sign. Okay, if you don't put the sign, it is understood it is plus sign. Now, 0 and this is 20. Which is greater? 20 is greater obviously. So let me put the sign like this. Okay. Now last sum here. Minus 231 plus 79 plus 51. Okay. Now let us take this one by one. First two numbers. Now one sign is minus, one sign is plus. Since the signs are different according to the rules of addition and subtraction, you should not use the rules of multiplication here. Why? Because there is no bracket given here, right? So you should use the rules of addition and subtraction. Minus 231 plus 79. Since the signs are different, for the answer you have to do subtraction. Okay, subtract this. 231 minus 79. Okay, these are different signs, so we have to do subtraction here. Okay, now this becomes 2, this becomes 1, remainder is 2. 1, 1, 12 minus 7 is 5 and this is 1. So this becomes 152. Okay, and which sign you have to give? Greater number sign. 231 is greater, it is having minus sign here. So let me put minus here. What is remaining here? Plus 51 is remaining. Now, one is having minus sign, one is having plus sign. Since the signs are different, for the answer again you have to do subtraction. So subtract this. 152 minus 51. So this is 1, this becomes 0. So 101 is your answer. And what sign you will be giving? Greater number sign. So put here minus. So minus 101 is the answer here, this side. Now let us solve this side and see. minus 399 plus 159. Now let us take these two numbers first. One is having minus sign, one is having plus sign. Since the signs are different, you have to do what? Subtraction you have to do. Do subtraction. 399 minus 159. 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 5 is 4, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 240 will be your answer. And which sign you have to put? Greater number sign. 399 is greater, it is having minus sign. So let me put here minus, and this plus 81 as it is. Okay. Now again, since these both the signs are different, then you have to do subtraction. Since the signs are different, you have to do subtraction. Subtract this 240 minus 81. This becomes 3, 10 minus 1 is 9. This becomes 1, 13 minus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this becomes 5 and this becomes 1. So 159 will be the answer. And which sign you have to give? Minus sign, because 240 is greater number. Minus 159. So which is greater now, 101 or 159? 101, right? This is the smaller number with minus sign. So this is the greater value here. So you have to put like this. This is greater. Okay. So I hope you have understood this sum.